For material testing and applications, a relationship exists between stress and strain. Stress, or the amount of force placed on a material, is directly related to strain, or the amount of change the material undergoes. In forging terms, the amount of force applied in a press or hammer directly influences how readily the material deforms under pressure. This is often referred to as plastic flow. As the temperature of the material increases, so does the plastic flow. Cold forgings require a greater amount of stress in order to experience the strain needed to fill an impression die. Hot forgings display a greater plastic flow.